You've got 3 days left to file your medical malpractice lawsuit. Let me tell you and share with you why I can't help you. Come join me as I share with you this interesting information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You might think this is a weird subject for a video, but let me share with you why waiting to the very last minute to bring your lawsuit is going to be a real big problem for you and why I will not be able to help you. You see, when you bring a medical malpractice case, it is vital, it is critical, in fact, it is required that I do a thorough and complete investigation of your matter before we can proceed forward with your case. I have to obtain all of your medical records, and there is no physical possible way that I can get all of your medical records within just 3 days. There is no possible way that even if I got all your records within that time period, I could get it and review it within that time period. Then I am required to take those records and send them off to a qualified medical expert in order to review and evaluate your particular matter. And there is no possible way that I could get a medical expert to review all of your records within that time frame. Even if somehow we were able to get your records and somehow I was able to review them and get a medical expert to confirm that you have a valid basis for a case, there is still insufficient time for me to go ahead and prepare the paperwork necessary to go ahead, start your case, and file it with the court. So what does this mean? It means you cannot wait till the very last minute to file a lawsuit for medical malpractice here in New York. You have to start months and months before. You have to go to an attorney to start investigating to determine whether or not you have a valid basis for a case. Every single type of case in New York has a particular time limit that's known as the statute of limitations. And if you have gone beyond that time period, in all likelihood, neither I nor any other attorney in New York will be able to help you. That is why it is so critical that if you believe something was done wrong, you cannot sit around and wait till the very last minute. You have to begin addressing it as soon as it happens, so now the attorney can do a thorough investigation and determine without a deadline approaching whether or not you have a valid basis for a case. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in evaluating a possible medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. You know, chances are you have questions or concerns about your own matter, and if your matter happened here in New York and you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I do this every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.